Hey, hello all. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do the review for BOYA microphone. I bought this microphone recently, and it is really crystal clear and it is very good. And so I would like to show that what are the things are there in the box by showing unboxing this. This is not a sponsor video by BOYA or anyone. It's just only a personal use. I bought this one for my personal use. Here you go. Let us see what is there in the box. Yeah, basically the box, you can see the BOYA logo and the model number BY-M1 Pro Universal Lavalier microphone. So the front will be looking like this. I bought this from ABB World, and the cost for this is 14.95 KD, which is almost 700 rupees. And in the side you can see that BOYA logo is there, and the other side it's mentioned about is model number BY-M1 Pro Universal Lavalier microphone. At the back you can see the features. I don't want to read this, you just see that in the feature you can see that we have a LR44 battery also there. This battery is enhancing microphones for noise cancellation and other things, and you can see the specification as well. Okay, now let us open this box one by one. Box is normally it's quite good and it's airtight. Okay, now when you open this we can see one leather pouch, and there is one instruction manual, and what else is there? Yeah, one warranty card is there. So we'll just put aside. Let us open this beautiful leather pouch. It's really very nice, soft leather, and it's a fantastic from BOYA, and you can see on the leather bag above BOYA logo, beautifully done. Okay, let us see inside what it is. When you open this, come on, yeah, here you go. Wow, it's fantastic. Yeah, very nice BOYA microphone, these things. And there is a kind of things where you can put your battery in, and you can see there is a option for the camera and smartphone as well as here you can change your, for example, if you're connecting this in your camera, then you can just switch on to the camera, and if you are using for the smartphone, you can just switch it on to the smartphone. And this is the adjustment for your microphone noise cancellation level, 0 to -10 dB. This is good feature. Okay, so we'll just let us see what is inside. After that we will come back to this. Yeah, we have one small pouch, and we have, okay, it's a silica gel, just we can throw it out, and okay, nothing else is there, but it's really a very beautiful leather pouch. Okay, now here in this small pouch, what is there in this kind of a clip. Yeah, it's a holder for the mic, and there is a sponge. Okay, let us see this. To open this. Okay, got it. Now if you open this one, okay, there is a it's a clip for the microphone and the microphone sponge, and we have we have LR44 battery. You can see it's a LR44 battery. Okay, so let us put this aside. Okay, now this is the main part. Basically this wire is a 6 meter length, and then so it is really handy, and it's really very good, and BOYA logo on the strip. Okay, so if we don't want to open this pouch because we need to organize this, so we will not open this one. And let me see what is there, how we have to do these things. As I told you before, we have an option in this for the camera and smartphones and all. So if you just turn in anti-clockwise, you can open this cover, and where you can see the slot for the battery. So this battery will go in. So right now we don't want this because I'm going to use it for my smartphone, so that we don't want that. So this is the microphone. It's very nice. And then how we have to install this pouch. So first insert this into the slot. You can see the slot. Yeah, now you can put the pouch, you can put this sponge on the microphone. So that's it. This is the very simple installation and easy to plug and go. It's a fantastic one, and let us try with this microphone. Okay, now we have completed our installation, unboxing, and it's ready to go now. And let us check the sound quality. 3, 2, 1. Now I am using the BOYA Universal Lavalier microphone, BY-M1 Pro. It's a testing. I think it is now crystal clear. It's very good. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the notification. Thank you.